So, we have a video, an unboxing, and she doesn't know what it is.
I do not.
She didn't even know she was getting anything.
At all.
So, do you want to help? Do you want to assist in this?
Uh-oh. O-M-G.
You were opening the box outside of the video. Oh no! I got it. It's fine. We got you. I got a new spot for it. There you go. So she's been using the G3 that I did a video on a while back. And she's been using this phone. And she didn't, you got bumped. You got bumped. And it cracked it, if you can see that right there. It's hard to see, but it's cracked. So now she has a new phone.
What'd you do after Mama told you went online and ordered one?
I sure did. So also it has a headphone jack.
Finally!
For some reason, phones these days.
Some of those phones don't have headphone jacks. And guess what? I can't listen to music. So I'm mad.
And the G6, the non-play version, has USB Type-C, which is a big deal. Because Mama's phone and my phone use Type-C. And the G6 Play uses micro USB, so it's a different connector. And this one you can put in either different way. It doesn't matter if you plug it in
Kind of like
this way or if you plug it in this way. So you can't mess up the charger.
Kind of like those other ones you got.
And it includes a turbocharger, so you can charge up the phone nice and quick. And it has an SD card slot that supports up to 128 gigabytes.
I'm turning it on. Oh, I got it working.
I'm gonna go ahead and use a battery.
I got it working.
Now let's get the SIM card out of here.
Hello,
Moto.
Woo woo. I got a new phone. Woo woo. How did I get this on? Like, I can already see this phone isn't for it.
We're gonna look for a SIM card tool. Because we're gonna take out the SIM card from this phone that got cracked.
Daddy, look. I got it up the
It doesn't fit. I got you another case. I got you a new one. How does it go in there? Arrgh.
Daddy's getting mad.
I see it.
Let's go. Welcome to your Moto G6. Copy your data.
Let me freaking take it.
Sorry for the background noises. Is this the new phone or the old phone?
The old one. I gotta copy
The one
the stuff
that's
over.
cracked.
You cracked it.
Hey, it wasn't my fault. Mama backed into me.
Oh, there it goes. Now you can see it better in the camera. Then it's chipped right there in the corner. Well, I mean, it still works. So if you break this one worse than that one, it wasn't your fault. I knew it wasn't your fault.
It literally slid. Like, it was kind of like a hill and it slid really far.
Okay, so the password on both of them looks the same for the thing, so let's go ahead and confirm with the fingerprint. And now it's going to copy over the accounts. Something went wrong. So it's been a couple days since the unboxing, and I just want to go ahead and finish up this video. So here it is. We've got Nova Launcher installed. I was able to use this awesome app called Helium, and basically what happens is you log into your box account and you're able to restore everything on your phone. So she's got this game she plays called Hello Pet, where she plays it a lot, and she saves up money, and she buys animals and stuff like that, and she doesn't want to lose that progress. So I'm able to go in here to the old phone she was using, and I'm able to find Hello Pet and restore it. And all you gotta do is enable USB debugging and connect your phone to your computer after you reboot your phone, and then you're good to go. Like we could take her latest one, for example, since she's played it a little bit since then, and we can back it up to box. And so now it's going to do a backup of the app data and the apps, so we'll have it. So whenever she went from one phone to another, her progress doesn't restore on its own. But thankfully with this app, she doesn't have to restart over when she gets a new phone. So that's pretty awesome. I like this app a lot. But here's the phone. She likes it. It's an awesome little phone. We got a Spigen Tough Armor case coming for it. So that way it's not going to be the end of the world if she does accidentally drop it. And she's got a screen protector on it. And then also that headphone jack. That was a big deal because she likes to watch Netflix and YouTube and stuff. And I don't always want to hear, the little kid shows she watches all the time. So it's actually really nice that this has a headphone jack, and I don't have to worry about having Bluetooth headphones or those needing to be charged. Or then also with it being Type-C, my wife uses the LG G6 and I use my Google Pixel. So we all three have USB Type-C. All we need is one person with the charger, and we can charge up each other's phones. And this supports turbocharging, so just minutes of charging for hours of use. Absolutely love that this has Type-C and it has a headphone jack. That's a big deal to me. Now, she did go from the new G3, which is a phone you probably haven't heard of, but that's a $199 phone on Amazon, 64 gigs of storage, 4 gigs of RAM, and a pretty awesome octa-core processor that's just a tiny bit better benchmark-wise than the Snapdragon 450 inside this phone. It's a $100 difference, but you lose the headphone jack, and updates aren't going to be nearly as consistent. Oh, and I guess that's a big thing about this phone, is this phone is running Android 8.0, so and it will get updates in the future. So device is up to date, about phone, and you can see the software, which is Android 8.0. So a little bit better version of Android, probably more reliable updates, headphone jack, and just an all-around awesome little phone. And I'm excited because I wouldn't want to have a cracked screen, and that headphone jack was the biggest deal. She couldn't plug in her freaking headphones and listen to her stuff, and we all had to hear it. So definitely think that this is a good phone for the budget. 64 gigs of storage, 4 gigs of RAM, a quad-core processor. Seriously. I mean, you don't need to spend $1,000 on a phone to have good performance. This is gonna get you 60 frames per second playing ultra settings on a game or nothing like that. But it'll definitely make calls, text messages, and play most games just fine. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want me to do more videos like this with my daughter, let me know in the comments below. Please follow me on Twitter and Instagram if you're not doing so already. This is What Would Josh Do, and I'm out.